Okay, guys, do you two remember how I said to defeat an enemy? You run away hiding and never come back. You thrash them, of course. What else would you do? You'd have to destroy all of them, so they don't come back. They either fear you or you kill them. But of course you do it to protect your friends, because if you only did it for yourself, then you're no better than the enemy. Okay, Undyne, that was a bit closer than what you've said before, but no, the way that we deal with any enemy is to make them our friend. Don't you remember that? Now, let's see. How about we just head to, like, Alfie's lab or something? Oh yeah, sure. It'd be nice to meet up with Alf. I wonder what she's up to. Oh, can you please get that spear away from me? Alright, I'll get it away from you, but I definitely want to bring it. I want to show her my new spear trick. Oh, okay, I guess. Okay, so, let's all head to Alfie's lab then. Oh, Alfie's. Oh my gosh. Guys, you need to see her. Something, I think, bad's going on. I'm dying. Look. You really think that I'm new? You really think that, shoot, I messed up my line. Well, anyway, you didn't see me walk through here, did you? Well, I assume that this must be out of a really, really dumb reason then. You're just acting plain stupid then. You're literally the one who has their eyes facing apart from each other. Well, that's none of your business. Anyway, so far I've successfully taken over this room. Meaning that there is only, like, however many more places you guys have until I rule the entire area. I'm sure we can talk this out. You don't need to be mean. We can talk it out. Frisk, the only way to defeat these guys, anybody, is to thrash them. No, just run away. I'm running away. Bye. Okay, so Napstablook is over there, I guess. Well, anyway, Mr. What's your name? My name is King Pig. Mr. King Pig? Well, I'm sure we can talk this out. So, why do you have Alfie's trapped at the bottom of the chair? It's because I'm trying to take over this whole area and claim it as my own, because that's what evil kings do. And I'm an evil king. And I'm the greatest one yet. Oh, well, if you wouldn't mind, could you please free her? Was that your entire turn? That's all I'm doing. It's my turn then. What the? That's fun. Oh yeah, Punk. You just wait until you see what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I think you have the best strat out of the three of them, but it's still garbage. Anyway, no one is gonna defeat me. I've made sure of that. You sure? You sure about that? Oh no, it's this guy again, not this guy again. This guy is so annoying. Yeah. Why do you have to follow me everywhere here? Well, that's because of the fact that you're so annoying. And there's also the fact that I'm here to destroy you. Hey, can one of you guys over there, do anything? I know, we're a bit stuck. But we're just really weak right now. Alright, I'll do this myself. This is close enough to a slingshot, I guess, so I'll take the jump. What? I'm still undefeated. Guys, please do something. This really hurts. I'm coming out for you. We're coming too. What you guys need to do is just, you fish lady, go ahead and, try to get her out of there. Alright, obviously I'm coming. Alright. Kid, do you have good arms? I just think I'm pretty strong. Why? You're gonna have to throw me in the ghost fellow here. Oh, I don't feel comfortable with that. You're just gonna have to do it. So, do it. Oh, I get it. It's supposed to be like a my arms are supposed to be like a slingshot. Right? Yeah, her spear will do nicely as a thing. Okay. Yeah. I'm still victorious, even though I'm on the very edge and I'm almost gonna die because I don't have arms. Well, I'm not gonna die. I'll freeze. Thank you, Undyne. If you really thought that you saw the last of me, then you got another thing coming. See, that's fine. It's fine. Nope, I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. That's a window. I knew that. Well, guess that's settled. Why does your voice keep constantly changing? Because I don't have the exactly most stable voice. It just keeps changing pitches. Oh, okay, so, oh, sorry. Cut you off. So, what were you going to say? Okay, so, thanks for helping to save me and stuff. And, I'm glad that you did. But what was that all about? Alright, I'll explain it to you later. Don't worry, Undyne, I have your spear.
Oh, yeah, obviously. You want to see my new spear trick?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, so here's the trick. I throw it really high.
Yeah?
And then I catch it and stab the enemy.
Oh, wow, nice job. Although, I think it would look even cooler if you spun it in midair.
Yeah, that would look awesome. Thanks, Alphys. Anyway, what's your name again?
My name's Red. And that other guy was King Pig. Oh, okay, so glad we know about them now. And, why do you look so mad? People call me the Angry Bird. Also, get it? I'm red. Red is associated with anger. Oh, I get it. That's funny. Anyway, let's, just get out of here then. Yeah, I think I've had so much in my lab for one day, or maybe even a week. Whatever, I'm not paranoid now.
Half, you'll be fine.
Oh, you really think so? Alright, I'll be able to defend the slap on the intruders. So, I think it's going well now. Yay! Since we've been talking for so long, it doesn't seem like a really climatic end.
Yeah, let me fix that. You have a good end now, punk?
Just like roll the credits or something before you do that again. That really hurt. Alright, so, I'm going to bed.
Same here.
Right? I hope we meet again, I guess. Well, maybe not on Battlefield, but you get what I mean. Right?
Yeah, I get what you mean, punk.
Right? So we meet again. Right? Right?
I am never gonna understand today.